Hey everybody, quick update here before this rain comes in here and I'm not able to fly, so put her up here real quick and you can look off to this would be the west southwest. Over to the far right hand side of the screen is Q Mountain and Dome Rock off in the distance there. You can see that the rigs have thinned out. There's been quite a few that have pulled out over yesterday and today. Probably double the number have pulled out today. A lot of the Class A gatherings that were here over to the west there and to my north have left. A lot of them pulled out today. We got pretty good rainstorm last night. Thunder and lightning and stuff. Probably the heaviest rain I've seen so far out here. So 2 days of rain here. 3 days of rain now since I've been out here. It rained a little while ago, as you can see that the rain was coming in hot and heavy there. There's a mountain off in the back there. You can't even see the top for the clouds, the low clouds there. And it's raining off to the right there. So I made this pretty quick. Get up there and get out of there as quick as I could so the drone didn't get rained on, because it doesn't react real well to rain. Unfortunately, they're not waterproof. I think it'd be kind of interesting to fly in the rain. You see the rotors up on the right up there. I was battling the wind a little bit in this video, so if it's a little bit jerky, it's I apologize. I did have it on cinematic mode, but when you're fighting the wind, there's not a lot you can do. But I did, and some of you have asked about my drones. I do have performance props on here that allow this to fly 47, 48 miles an hour. And it's not, I don't have them on for the speed, but they help handle the wind a little bit better. Gives it those blades get a little more bite than the standard blade, so it stays a little more stable. Just one little trick I use. But as you can see, it's even before the rain here. It's kind of neat. You get all the different patterns from the sun poking through the clouds in different spots. It looks like you got light and dark rock out there, but it's all the same color. But just wanted to give update for y'all that I know a lot of you been watching my update videos because you come here and you didn't come here this year and want to see what it looks like. Well, this is January 24th, so this is the last day of the show. This is when people start pulling out. I'm going to be around for a few more days, so I will do another update later on this week so you can see what it looks like, the aftermath. And other than that, like, share, subscribe. Thank you all very much for coming and watching my video, and you have a great day.